everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is day 43 out of 365 days for upskilling and improving our English. So first of all, how are you all? I hope you are all doing great and your English journey is also going very fine. So, as usual, I am always giving some informative things in my videos. So, today I am also going to serve the things that is very necessary for your development, for your journey in English. So, this thing I experiences by myself and I experienced by core of my heart that if I didn't inculcate those things in my journey, I am not going better speaker in English. So you know that my journey is starting 42 bags, 42 days back. So in that, we can say that 30 to 40 days, I experiencing the things, I learned the things, and I thought that that experiences which I experience, I have to share with you all because it is going to very easy to understand and to learn from others' experiences instead of learning from ours. Okay, so I shares two experiences, two things with you, so you can also inculcate those things. And the last one is so important, is so you have to stay till the end. So our first thing is that don't make it too difficult. All of you are, whenever you are in your initial stage, you are thinking that because you all know English, you can understand English, you can we can say that understand or write English, and we can say that read English, but whenever it's time to speak, you are stuck in between. So the what is the main problem is that you wanting to make it so big and so smart English, but you have to start from the small thing, small sentences, and from two to sentences you have to join all those sentences and make a big, and we can say that the chunk of communication. Okay, so in the starting, people are thinking like if have any a person have any literature background, or we can say that he or she knows English. Like I am understand and I am explaining earlier that they are always making big thing, or they think that, and if in this journey they if they are like thinking we have to speak big sentences, so their mind is going to searching a very good sentence and a very smart words, but this is going to very mistakes and mistake move. So in initial stage, you have to become a small sentences like as I am doing, and in starting I'm also doing the same problem and also doing the same mistakes. But after sometimes I realized that I have to don't do this mistake. So I had made small sentences in my videos also. I'm not giving so importance to big sentences. Yeah, I am big. I'm doing some mistakes in my sentences in my video, but then after I realized that I don't do this type of mistakes. So this is don't the thing that we don't need to do. And the second thing is, and the no, in this first formula we can say that we can also connect from our mother tongue also, that my mother tongue is Hindi. So in Hindi we are like always speaking small sentences because Hindi literature is different thing. We are not using those words, those sentences, but we are using our native language. We use small sentences. Okay, like in literature there is sometimes a big sentences, like we can say that parko, we can say that parantu, but we are not using those sentences parantu, kintu, kinchit, we are not using, but we are always using simple sentences. That's how we can connect to each other. And the second thing is that it is very important that we have to feel it. We have to feel from our heart, like we are feeling in our mother tongue, and in this way we have to feel English. Like we my mother tongue is Hindi, and I am feeling from core of my heart that we are speaking to each other, we are communicating in that, in this way we are like freeing, like we feel from core of heart that you know in Hindi बोल तुझे पता है आज क्या हुआ. Okay, we are speaking with feel, but whenever it's time to speak in English, you know what you feel, and you know what it's happened. No, we also speak with feel, like you know what's happened today. Oh come on, that's type of languages. So lights are gone, so my videos is like stucking in between. But I think you understand all the things. And the last one I am saying that the